हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, मी गायत्री सदाफळ पुन्हा एकदा तुमचं स्वागत करते आपल्या लाडके यूट्यूब चॅनलवर महाराष्ट्र मीडियावर. आज आपण घेणार आहोत क्लास 7 जिओग्राफी चॅप्टर 4 एअर प्रेशर टेक्स्टबुक क्वेश्चन अँड आन्सर्स. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. क्वेश्चन 1 आहे गिव्ह रिझन्स. त्याच्यामध्ये फर्स्ट आहे air pressure decreases with increasing altitude. Answer: the proportion of the dust in air, water, vapor, heavy gases etc. is higher in the air and the closer to the surface of the earth. This proportion decreases with increasing altitude. As one moves higher and higher from the surface of the earth, the air becomes thinner and thinner. As a result, the air pressure decreases with increasing altitude. Second आहे pressure belts oscillate. Answer: the duration and the intensity varies during the particular periods of the year in both hemispheres. Second point, so the locations of the temperature zones and the pressure belts depend on the sun heat also vary. Third point, this change is of the order of 5 degree to 7 degree towards the north in the Uttarayan 1 and the 5 degree to 7 degree south in Dakshinyan 2. Fourth point is, in this way pressure belt oscillate. See the next question. Question 2 आहे give short answers to the following question. See the first question. What effect does temperature have on air pressure? Answer: first, the temperature and air pressure are closely related. Whenever the temperature is high, the air pressure is low. Second, as the temperature rises, the air gets heated, expand and becomes lighter. Third, the lighter air in the vicinity of the earth's surface starts move up towards the sky. Fourth, as a result, air pressure in such areas decreases. Okay, see the next question. Question 2 आहे why is the subpolar low pressure belt is formed? Answer: first point, due to the earth curvature, the area between two parallel gets reduced and we move towards the pole. Second point, this result in the lesser friction of air with the earth's surface. Point third, air in this region is thrown out because of this reduced friction and also because Earth's rotational motion. Fourth point, this leads to the development of the low pressure belt in the subpolar region, that is in area between 55 and 65 degree parallels in both hemispheres. See the question number next. Question 3 is write the notes. See the first, mid latitudinal high pressure belts. Answer: first point, the heated air from the equatorial region becomes lighter, start ascending and faster reaching higher altitudes, move towards the polar region, that is toward north and towards the south pole. Second point, due to the low temperatures at high altitude, the air cools down and becomes heavier. Third point, the heavier air descends down in the both hemisphere in the region between 25 degree and 35 degree parallels. Fourth, this leads to the formation of high pressure belts in these parallels of latitudes in both the hemispheres. Fifth, this air is dry, hence the region does not get rainfall. Seventh, consequently the most of the hot deserts on the earth are found in these regions. Okay. See the next short note. Horizontal distribution of air pressure. First point, the heat received from the sun is uneven in different regions. Second, the distribution of the pressure is uneven from equator to the poles. Third point, this difference can lead to the difference in air pressure. Fourth point, there are 4 air pressure belts formed on the earth's surface. Fifth point, equatorial low pressure belt between 5 degree and to 5 degree as parallel to as the temperature is higher. Sixth point, mid latitudinal high pressure belt between 25 degree and 35 degree parallel due to descending heavier air. Seventh, subpolar low pressure belt formed between the 55 degree and 65 degree parallel due to the friction and rotation. 8. Polar high pressure belt formed between the 80 to 90 degree parallel due to the low temperatures. Okay. Question number 4, filling the blanks. First है, at a higher altitude air becomes thinner. Second, air pressure is expressed in answer millibars. Third, on the earth air pressure is answer uneven. Fourth, filling the blanks is the dash pressure belt spread between the 5 degree north and 5 degree south parallel. It's a equatorial low. Question I, fifth. 5. How does a high pressure belt get formed near a 30 degree parallel? Why does the region have not desert? Answer. Point first, the heated air from the equatorial region becomes lighter, start ascending, and after reaching higher altitudes move towards the polar region, that is towards the north and the south pole. Second point, due to the low temperatures at higher altitude, the air cools down and becomes heavier. The heavier air descends down in the both hemispheres in the region between 25 degree and 35 degree parallels. Third आहे, this leads to the formation of a high pressure belt in these parallels of latitudes in both hemispheres. Fourth, this air is a dry, hence the region does not get rainfall. Consequently, most of the hot deserts on the earth are found in these regions. Draw a neat label diagram showing pressure belt. Label the diagram. See in textbook page number 70. Pressure belt and planetary wind. Okay students, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.